Mayonnaise to remove lice from the head. Lice are parasitic insects that live on and on the hair, scalp and feed on the blood of the infested person. According to the National Library of Medicine, lice are very contagious and easy to transfer from person to person by direct contact or by sharing personal belongings. There are several commercial products like ivermectin to treat effectively and kill lice. However, if you do not have access to these treatments, there are home remedies for head lice that help fight the infestation. Mayonnaise. It's no joke. The mayonnaise can help you a lot to eliminate the lice. Mayonnaise works as a head lice treatment, choking on lice when left in the hair for a short period of time. This method of killing head lice requires thick mayonnaise. Do not use low-fat mayonnaise, it does not contain enough fat. The treatment works by covering the scalp with a thick layer of mayonnaise. Wrap the scalp and hair with a plastic wrap so that the air meets the hair during treatment. Let the treatment sit for 15 to 20 minutes to completely suppress all head lice. Then wash the hair thoroughly and comb to remove the eggs from the lice. A comb for lice is a fine-tooth comb made specifically to remove eggs from lice. It can be purchased at any local food store. Repeat this treatment daily for 3 days to kill the infestation. There are many people who do not believe that mayonnaise can eliminate lice, but it does work. Also, mayonnaise is very cheap and you'll always have it at home. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.